Okay, hello guys. This is my Ninja 650 with the clip-ons on it, and these are some street tires that I had with it. I'm thinking about putting some terrain tires on it. I got these off of Motorsport for about 50 bucks each, and I want to do some, off-road. These look very grippy, and I'm gonna put it on this 400-pound bike right here and off-road a bit with it. I want it to so bad. But I'm thinking about my R3 also. I can't get that through my head, but because the R3 is lighter and I could save it from falling, but I don't know if the spacing of the fender and stuff, will clear it. I think it will, but in the first place, I bought these tires for the Ninja. I will decide and I will update. As a matter of fact, I got a rim for that tire already, but I just can't decide. We'll see ya next time. Hopefully I do good. See you guys.